we think about retaining wall add-ons, we're generally talking about the type of veneer that goes on the outside of a retaining wall, like a poured wall might have a stone veneer or a brick veneer. And then you're also talking about the cap. What's on top of the retaining wall? How do we make it look more finished? And that's typically going to be used with block walls and concrete walls and steel walls. So number one, the biggest add-on from a cost standpoint would be a veneer, if you want to add a stone surface to it or a brick surface or something like that, or maybe it's stucco or maybe it's paint. And then if you move into the cap of the wall, it might be a natural stone cap, it could be a manufactured cap. There's all different types of products. So those are the primary different add-ons you can put onto a wall.